The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, has had its first encounter with a hydrogen-powered vehicle, the Hyundai Nexo. Tested out at the automaker's request, the car, which is only available in California, came out with amazing results, scoring a Top Safety Pick Plus award. In order to qualify for the top rating, a vehicle must achieve good ratings in the 6 crashworthiness tests, including small overlap, front, left, and right, moderate overlap, front, side, roof strength, and head restraint and seats. It also needs superior ratings for the front, crash prevention, and good headlight ratings. Needless to say, the Nexo nailed it in all chapters. Its standard front crash prevention system earns a superior rating, said IIHS. The vehicle avoided collisions in 12 mph and 25 mph track tests and has a forward collision warning system that meets National Highway Traffic Safety Administration criteria. The 2019 Nexo has a starting price of $58,300 before incentives, without the destination charge. The base model features standard LED headlights, 17-inch alloy wheels, synthetic leather, heated and electrically adjustable front seats, and a host of driving assistance systems like the automatic emergency braking, blind spot warning, and adaptive cruise control. Filling its tank with hydrogen, a process that takes 5 minutes, gives it a driving range of up to 380 miles in the Blue spec and 354 miles in the Limited, which starts at $61,800. The two models have 161 horsepower and 291 foot-pounds of torque, available on tap for a 0 to 60 mile per hour run of 9.5 seconds.